Montana. Let's get it. This nigga damn, man. He's the engine on this bitch, man. You niggas run that engine, man. Let's get it. We come from a different cloth. I come from number bosses. You ain't shit, you can't amount. So you should just get lost. I'm out them bands I can't amount. Sippin' lean just like young South. Why you talking motor mouth? You gon' blow your engine out. Don't blow your engine. Don't blow your engine, boy. Don't blow your engine. Don't blow your engine. Don't blow your engine, boy. Don't blow your engine. Don't blow your engine, man. I'm running now. I'm smoking loud, bitch, it give me energy. Sitting on the stars, bitch, I can solar see. A lot of niggas mad, hating, trying to envy me. Because I want that back, these niggas is too Hillary. I'm tatted with the dreads, all the bitches feeling me. I'm hot as hell, so somebody should invest in me. 1,204 feet, and it's on me. Double G's on my belt, tatted Louis. Polo horse don't feel remorse, cause a nigga flee. Tryna shine like it's my B-Day money Christmas tree. And stand on top of that bitch and let you niggas see. And watch Montana flex for no parent ring. Come from a different cloth. I come from number bosses. You ain't shit, you can't amount. So you should just get lost. I'm about them bands I can't amount. Sippin' lean just like young South. Why you talking motor mouth? You gon' blow your engine. No, don't blow your engine. Don't blow your engine, boy. Don't blow your engine. Don't blow your engine. Don't blow your engine, boy. Don't blow your engine. Don't blow your engine, man. You want it now, boy. Smoking smelly dope. I know you smell a stench. That long way is extended. It smokes for hours, bitch. The key up in the streets. It's to never ever snitch. A snitch considered a bitch. Get bound to throw in a ditch. And be swimming with the fish. I'm surfing, swagging, bitch. Off a dolphin, floating, bitch. The loud pack keep me lit. Make a fuckboy don't exist. All on my mind is to get rich. And I focus on no bitch. And I say life is like a glitch. I can't give you all the tips. I just prefer them lists, whether we in or out the whip. Be a boss about this shit. You only live once, bitch. So Montana on my old so arrogant shit. Jojo.